fields roll like a living sea. Temples rise through the silver haze. Echoes of peace in the dawn's embrace. Trace the hands of time where present earth entwine. Ancient songs in the mountain air whisper grace beyond compare. This is the land of northern light, where heaven touches mountain high. The soul of earth, the breath of sky, forever free, forever Thai. Buffaloes move through the fading rain. Life returns and the world remains. Children run where the bamboo sway. Dreams are born in the golden hay. Lanterns rise as the daylight dies. Hope reflected in quiet hours. Every heart, every humble prayer finds its peace in the still night air. This is the land of northern light, where faith and nature reunite. Between the clouds beyond the line, the spirit life serene divine. From mountain roads to rivers,